What if two spices already sitting in your kitchen could turn an ordinary cup of warm water into a simple, aromatic morning drink? Take 2 whole cloves and a small piece of Ceylon cinnamon. Place them in warm water and let their natural flavors slowly infuse. This is not a miracle cure, and it will not replace medicine. But these ancient spices contain natural plant compounds that have attracted scientific interest for years. Cloves are known for their strong aroma and contain eugenol, while cinnamon contains its own distinctive aromatic compounds. Together, they create a warming drink that some people enjoy as part of a balanced morning routine. The first thing you may notice is the powerful smell and comforting flavor. For some people, a warm, unsweetened drink can feel soothing in the morning and may be an easier choice than starting the day with a sugary beverage. But here is where many people make a mistake. More is not always better. Adding large amounts of cloves or cinnamon does not automatically create greater benefits. In fact, concentrated clove oil should never be treated like ordinary clove water, and excessive amounts can be harmful. The type of cinnamon also matters. Cassia cinnamon can contain more coumarin, a natural compound that may be a concern when consumed regularly in high amounts, especially for sensitive people. Ceylon cinnamon generally contains much less coumarin, which is why many people prefer it for frequent culinary use. To prepare a simple infusion, place 2 whole cloves and a small piece of Ceylon cinnamon in 1 cup of warm or hot water. Allow it to steep until the water becomes aromatic. Then remove the spices and sip slowly. There is no scientific rule saying you must drink it on an empty stomach, so pay attention to how your own body responds. Some people may prefer it before breakfast, while others may feel more comfortable having it with or after food. Most importantly, do not expect one drink to erase years of unhealthy habits. Your overall diet, physical activity, sleep, stress management, and regular medical care matter far more than any single spice recipe. If you have diabetes, liver problems, take regular medication, or have been advised to limit certain herbs or spices, talk with a healthcare professional before making concentrated herbal drinks a daily habit. The real secret is not magic hidden in a cup. It is learning how small, realistic habits can support a healthier lifestyle over time. So, would you try this simple clove and Ceylon cinnamon drink? Write why yes in the comments and share this video with someone who enjoys learning about simple nutrition and wellness habits.